Hey, this is Mega B Moans, and we're gonna review more Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. This time, the Remote Control Zero. Ruff, ruff. Yeah, I know. And, okay, so we've already reviewed. I know I said I was gonna review Zero after the Devil, but I messed up and I forgot. Hahaha, whatever. Okay. So the people that we're gonna... What the... No, it's my review. My review. Okay, so we've already reviewed Dr. Finkelstein, the Devil, and Ookie Bookie, Melting Mon, Eloquent Demon, Behemoth, and Mr. Hyde. Okay, let's talk about the stuff that we've already reviewed. Let me get them off me. I don't want to talk about that. We know about the presents and pumpkins and crap. Okay, you go with her. No, help me, please. Okay. Remote Control Zero. I'll show you if I don't know if there's batteries. They made his nose really big. No detail at all. He sucks. But he's like a toy, not a display thing like most of these. Everything else pretty much is display. This is a toy actually. He actually draws like a toy. I think they made like 2 remote control stuff, or maybe 3. I think one of them was Jack in this Santa thing when he comes back to Halloween Town. The other one was Zero, yeah. And I think there might have been a mayor's car, I'm not for sure though. That's him and his little stupid artwork. I hate that, how they like made that weird artwork for him. They didn't want to make him out of clay, so they made the artwork like that, like on the backpack. Okay, let's see if he works. I never used this in like 2 years. There's no button on that, so maybe you just need this. Yeah, it's not working, crap. Really not. Where's the on button on here? Oh, I think there was something right there. Dang it. Okay, sorry. It doesn't get to work. Next, we will review the stupid Dr. Finkelstein.